Good morning, class 10th. How is everyone? I am also fine. How about you? Okay, today I've taken up the poem for Annie Gregory. For Annie Gregory is a conversation between a young man and a young woman. Okay, just tell me before I read out the poem for you. Just tell me, do you love things for their qualities, physical as well as mental qualities? Okay, you love people for their qualities and you love things for their qualities, their properties. If you have to buy a car, naturally you will examine its properties. How about loving a girl? Would you love that girl only for her body beauty, or certainly it is the traits that attract you? Okay, I'll ask you. Now, W.B. Yeats has presented a beautiful poem. It's a conversation between a young man and a young woman. Let me read out the first stanza for you. The first stanza says, never shall a young man thrown into despair by those great honey-colored ramparts at your ear love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. The young man says that there will not be a single person who loves you only for yourself. Naturally, your physical traits count a lot. And when he says your honey colored ramparts at your ears, when he says this, he simply means that the golden color of the hair, of your hair, is attractive today. It may not remain after some time, but today the golden color of your hair as well as the earrings certainly attracts the young people, but they better refrain from falling in love. The second stanza is, but I can get a hair dye and set such color there, brown, black, carrot, that young man in despair may love me for myself alone and not my yellow hair. On this, the young girl, the young lady, she says she doesn't want that people should love her only for her hair, but she should be loved for herself alone and not for her physical traits, not for her golden hair, not for her earrings. That is what she means when she says that she can color her hair brown, black, or whatever color people like. The third stanza, I heard an old religious man but yesternight declare that he had found a text to prove that only God, my dear, could love you for yourself alone and not your yellow hair. He says that religious people, even religious people have declared this, that human beings have this weakness of loving physical traits, of loving physical qualities. It is God Himself who can love only the person himself or herself. But human beings cannot do this. I hope you like this poem. For any other doubts, you are always welcome. Watch this video twice and I'll be sending you some exercises. Attempt them. For any difficulties, you may always come back to me. Thanks for joining.